What's up, guys? How are we doing today? Pardon my look of complete disgust. I just woke up, it's raining. The weather doesn't affect what we're working on today because what we're doing is inside the car. So we're in my 2024 Mazda 3 GT. This right here is the stock shift knob. I wanted a weighted one, so I ordered one from We Are Likewise in Australia. This is the first time I'm actually putting time and money into a car. So first things first, we're gonna take off the old one. Patience. Like that. In here, we have the weighted shift knob. We have the shift boot collar. And we have the adapter for this right here. So this is the shift knob. It is the Nad Pro. It is gorgeous. Now I know what you're thinking. It's gonna burn my hands in the summer, probably, but it looks real good. So the next part is we gotta take off this whole center console thingy. We're gonna pull. There we go, on both sides, and this whole thing just kind of comes out. Is where I need your help. Swiper, no swiping. Do you see the plugs I need to pull out? So I've spent a couple minutes fidgeting there. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a push-in clip on the back side there that you can't really see from the front. Now that I've got it up, also my hands are sweating, that's fucking gross. The clip is out. Now you take this whole thing off, flip open the shift boot, and you're going to be replacing this guy right here, which is going to be this piece. Alright, so you're going to need to play with this quite a little bit. It is not going to feel like it's going to want to come off. It's like super glued on there or something. It's on there good, but you gotta have to play with it. Trust me, it's starting to come off now. And now that you've got your piece out, put it to the side. It's gonna look like this, a little silly. This piece up here, the wide flared part, is the front, upside down, inside the shift boot with the logo facing you. Upside down, in there, high up as you can get it set up. If you flip it back out, it's gonna look like this. Grab the supplied zip tie if you got shift boot collar, making sure that it is snug. Now that looks a little phallic, you can trim off the excess. Now, I would say that is probably the hardest part about this whole thing, just because of how much time it takes. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop that right back out. That way it is visible. We're going to replace this boy. If it looks a little funky, now's the time to adjust that. We're going to replug. Not that I can see anything. Right there. And right there. And boom. Now guys, remember, if I can do this, you can 100% do this. I got like 6 brain cells combined. So depending on your car, you might not even need one of these. It's a thread adapter. You also get an Allen key or hex key or whatever. This is going to be used on the top to adjust and make sure that the logo is centered for you. So all you want to do is throw that on, nice and blue. Nice and blue. You want to make sure that's tight. The shift boot is going to click all into place when everything is done. Okay, I didn't know I had a Dodge Demon. For feel, very, very nice. If you guys liked the video, god damn it. Is it that difficult? No, I don't think so. So do it. Like the video, subscribe for more. I will be working on this car slowly because I have a regular man's budget, but when I do things, you will know about it.